Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the videos. We're gonna do another vlog today. I feel like I've been doing a lot of car videos and edits lately, so I wanted to throw a little something different in here. Still kind of related to cars, but it'll be a little bit more fun. So I have this idea, not sure if it's gonna work, but I saw someone else do it and I wanted to try it. It is a car mount for a camera, so I don't have to hang out of the back of the car anymore. It's a little scary having expensive camera gear hang out the car. I honestly trust my hands more, but I don't know, I think this could work, so I'll explain you my plan here. Okay, so my plan is I want to have two 8-foot pieces of metal coming off the top of my roof rack, which will be mounted by these mounts here. So that'll be on the top of the roof rack. You can imagine those coming to a point right here, and then from the tow hook up to the top of that, and that'll all be mounted in one little deal there. And then those two rods are going to extend out a little further, and I'll put a plate on the bottom of that, and then my camera will hang off the bottom of that on the gimbal. So I'll have a cord running from my camera into the car with the monitor, and then I'll have the remote controller for the gimbal sitting in the passenger seat, and I'll theoretically be able to control my camera without hanging out the back. Don't know if it's going to work or not, but I'm not going to have time to put it together today, but we are going to run up to Menards and get all the parts. So I really hope this works, because I feel like this would decrease the chance of me getting pulled over anymore by the police. It has only happened once, hanging out of the car, and it wasn't me, it was Will shooting photos, but it's always a little sketchy. All right, it is a new day today. It's the next day. I finally got what I needed. I went with Will there. We went to the other Menards and found out they had the stuff that I needed. So I got all my material right there. I have all the material for the bracket for the to mount the camera on. So we're gonna mock that up and make sure that works first. We're gonna go over to my buddy Jackson's house because he knows how to weld. So we're gonna put that together. And if that works successfully, then after that I will make the mount, the isolation vibration mount, to put the Ronin on, and after that we should be pretty much set to test it out. So we're gonna go over to Jackson's here and I'll show you the welding process a little bit. All right, here's what me and Will picked up at Menards. 3 foot, 6, 6, and another 6 foot one holes. That's to bolt it down.
That's the devil.
We have to extend these pipes. We cut out little plates here that we're going to reinforce this with. We're going to put one on the top and one on the bottom to make sure that holds. We got 4 of them for both pipes. I finished all the cutting and stuff, so Jackson's going to start welding stuff together. Got that flake on there too.
Oh wait, yeah. We're in the sunlight, bro.
I got you. Oh, you can see it. Oh yeah, here. Okay, both are extended. We are mocking up the angle right now. It fits on there. So after that, our bolt pole for the tow hook is gonna go on. But as you can see, I'm kind of losing my mind, so we're gonna eat some Chipotle quick and then we'll get back to it. She is complete.
Checks, can I have a new glove? 2 days later, checks, can I have a new glove? I just got checks, can I have a new glove?
Let's go! All right, you guys, well, that was a success. I have my camera rig in the car with me here. Figured probably shouldn't drive with it on yet, but we did go for a test drive. Everything is locked down perfect in it, so super pumped about this. Now what's next is I need to make the isolation plate, vibration plate, whatever you want to call it, for the actual camera mount for the Ronin. And then after that, it should be complete. I'll be able to sit in my seat here, have the monitor wired up to the camera, and it should be all good. So super pumped about that.